This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing here. Predict and run. What do you think this program does? Take a look at the code, right? Now, students, keep in mind, you cannot hit run until you put an answer here. However, once you put an answer here and hit run, you have submitted to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, that's me. So let's think about this together. All right, so what do we think it's going to do? Right off the bat, I see prints. So, all right, it's going to print stuff. Now, the question is, what stuff? Ooh, interesting. And the tricky part of this, guys, and I can see what they're trying to do here, is trick us. That would be the tricky part. So you might look at this and think, wait a minute, 5 over 2, right? So 5 divided by 2 is equal to this, is equal to divided. So, is it going to print 5 over 2 just like this, or is the math performed? And that's where the tricky part of this occurs. So what I know is since divided is declared up here as an integer, before it gets down here, it does perform this mathematical operation. Now, part of the trick is that this is an integer. So that means it cannot be a 2.5. Java does something where it is going to drop the decimal place. So even though it's 2.5, this just becomes 2. Now, double divide, we're not dividing it doubly, we mean double means a decimal. So 5.0 over 2, now in this case, this can have a decimal point. So this will be 2.5 and print accordingly. All of these are going to perform the mathematical operation as well. Java assumes that you could say the printing of this should represent the values entered to the decimal places. And so therefore, this is just integer addition. This will actually be double addition. We have one double, but that's fine. So that will result in 8.0. 8.0, there's no math. It's just going to be high 5, no space, because they didn't put one. Version with a space, and then 17, no space. So all of that being said, let me slam in an answer here. So that's roughly what I would think, and this. Let's give it a shot. Cool. Ta-da! Onward.